Hello. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, can review or unbox the Casio G-Shock GA-2100-1A1ER. So yeah, my initial kind of first impressions. So here we go. If you can see that. Okay, so we've got the box. It's got protective plastic rim paper over that. Take that off. So yeah, here we go. Here's the box there. Got to say, I'm not overly impressed by the box, to be fair. It seems very like a cardboard box, very standard, really. Yeah, so there's the box. So I'll open this up now and see what's inside. So first things first, there's a Casio G-Shock international warranty card that comes with it. I shall open that later. That's all your warranty information, I would presume. Okay, it's going to take the thing out of the box. Okay, it comes with a metal case. Actually, the metal case is a bit better than a cardboard box, to be fair. Not bad. Not amazing though. You can see that there. Yeah, so that's the case that it comes in. It's G-Shock on the outside since 1983. Shock resistant. And WR20 bar. I'm guessing that's something to do with water, being underwater. Okay, so open that up there. What we've got here, looks like the instruction manual. Very small writing, actually. That's going to be difficult to read, especially with me getting older. Getting older, might need glasses potentially. Can't quite read that, but yeah, there's your instructions there, and a little bit of a leaflet there. So that's inside the box. G-Shock on the side there, kind of rectangle. So yeah, right. So what's all this then? Yeah, okay, let's just pack in inside. Just going to pull the watch out there, place this package to the side there. So okay, it comes in like a protective wrapper. Let's undo this now. Yeah, so here we go. There's the watch. So okay, it comes with a tag as well. So initial first impressions, yeah, it looks pretty decent, to be fair. Not as big as I thought it would be. It's not a massive watch, to be fair, but yeah, design's nice. It's very, you can see in there much. Let's see if I can focus a little bit on there. Here we go. So yeah, not a massive watch, and it's actually quite dark. But that's the whole point. It's supposed to be like stealth dark mode, I guess, in. So yeah, let's see if we can get a bit closer there. So yeah, really nice dial there. I'm just looking at this first time myself, so I'll probably be turning it away to look at it as well. But yeah, on the outside it says G-Shock, all written around the outside. Should have brought my glasses. So it looks like on the side you've got a light function, a start function, which I guess is for your stopwatch, adjust, and mode. So let's have a little look at the light, see if that comes on. Oh yeah, little light that comes on there. I don't know if you can see that. Here you go. Yeah, so initial first impressions, yeah, pretty decent, to be fair. I just got a tag there as well. Let's see, do a bit more adjusting. Sorry about this, folks. Yeah, so there you go. Very, very good. So I bought this off Amazon. I got a really good deal on it, actually. It was £68, I think, but normally I'm presuming they're about, I think they're about 100, so I got a really good deal. Had to wait a while because they sold out, but they got some more in stock and they resent it to me. So yeah, this being the Casio G-Shock GA-2100-1A1ER or something like that. And apparently, so the functions include apparently a calendar, which includes the day, date, a stopwatch, a world timer, an alarm, a light, and a few other features. So apparently it's 21 centimeters. This is the strap actually, 21 centimeters in length, 2 millimeters width, with a black plastic strap, and the case diameter is full centimeters. Is that right? Yeah, that'd be right. Apparently this is water resistant as well. I'm not completely sure how far, but it is water resistant. So okay, so may as well in that case then. Let's take this off, get the watch on, see what it looks like on. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. See, a bit of adjusting going on. Here you go. So that's what it looks like on. Pretty cool. I like that. It looks smart. I'm quite glad I bought this watch, to be fair. So there we go. And what I do is, once I've done this here, sorry about the marks on the hands, by the way. Injured myself the other day. So yeah, you can see that there. Very good, very nice. So what I'll do is I will get some more videos close up of the watch, so you can have a good look. I think for the money, that's pretty good, isn't it? Really, I'm always surprised how much watches cost. Usually quite expensive, but I wanted something that wasn't too big, wasn't too chunky, looked smart, but also at the same time wasn't like really over the top. And I think this does it, to be fair. I think it's like you could wear this watch kind of like out, dressed smartly, with smart clothes on, or with your sportswear. I think it's kind of designed as a sports watch actually, in mind, but yeah, you could wear this in pretty much any occasion, to be fair. I think the reading, yeah, because it is so black and stealth, so reading the time is going to be quite difficult. But that's cool. I mean, watches are a bit of a fashion accessory, really, aren't they? To be honest, it's good to have functions. Obviously, if you're looking for a smartwatch, this isn't the one. This is like a mixture of digital and analog. It's a digital analog watch, basically. Smartwatches are all cool and good and that, and really good. But the trouble is, what I find with them, they don't look very smart. They look, and the display is always digital, so you lack that analog feel. That's what I liked about this one, really. And watch is kind of like is a bit of a statement. It is like fashion wear for men, an accessory, but yeah, very good. Overall impressions looks very well made, very well put together, and I could see something like this lasting for some time. Yeah, so I think I did all right with this. Glad I bought it. The only thing I would say, I would probably preferred rather it to be like a plastic casing, to have like the steel one, but steel ones look great, but the prices were so expensive. I mean, this one £100 ordinarily. The steel ones, I think they were like excess of £350, which is a lot of money, I think, for a watch, to be fair. So it's a happy compromise. I wonder, actually, you could probably, I presume these straps would come off, so you could like replace this plastic strap here with a steel strap, and that might look quite good, to be fair. It's a shame the straps are not a little bit more chunkier here, I think. But yeah, overall first impressions are great. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I will add a little bit extra onto this at the end, just like so you can see the watch a bit more closer in more detail. Yeah, sorry if this goes in and out of focus a little bit. I've just got my tripod set up as best as I can, and the camera's quite sensitive, really. Right, great. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for the watch. All right, okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.